So we are gonna be doing a triple pepperoni pizza. Triple pepperoni pizza. All right, so we'll just get things going. Now I've already got the kettle up to around 500 degrees. I used 2 chimneys of charcoal to get us there. Now it might depend on where you're at about how much you're gonna need. If you can't get up to 500 degrees, add more charcoal. I kind of think that this table helps retain heat and it allows me to get a little bit higher in temperature. I don't know. All right, let's get to building that pizza. Okay, so what we're gonna do at first is we're gonna hit it with some butter here, kind of season up this griddle. Maybe around the edges as well. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna grate some Parmesan on there. Now this idea came from one of you as well. It was Josh. He commented and said, hey, why not do some Parmesan and butter on the bottom of that skillet? Here we are trying it. Thanks, Josh. All right. That'll give us a nice little Parmesan crust. Okay, now that that is all seasoned up and ready to go, we'll look at our dough. So I'll set this aside for just a second and we'll talk about our dough. Look at that. That is some good looking dough right there. Now this recipe comes from Vito. He has a really good pizza YouTube channel. This guy knows it all. I mean, he runs a restaurant in New York, or did until he went full-time YouTube. But anyways, I did what he did. I recommend you guys try it out as well. And definitely check out his channel because he's got some really good tips on how to make a really good pizza. I'm using some of them in this, but mostly this is Baum Grillinz style, so you're gonna get what you get. But anyways, go check out his channel and give him some love over there. Vito's doing a good thing. Okay, so we'll just grab our pan here and we'll get our dough. Look at that nice little dough. And we're just gonna set it down right here. Just gonna set it right there in the middle. And we're just gonna push it out. You really wanna maintain this little area here to make a nice crust. So try not to touch that. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. I love pizza. I've got a couple of different pizza videos on this channel. It's one of my favorite things to eat. I just love it. So many different ways to do it. We all have our own little style, you know. And us Americans, I don't know, we have our different take on pizza. I have found that out. All right, so there we go. We got it all stretched out there. It's a little thin, but I think that's gonna make for a good crust. I really do. All right, next ingredient. All right, next up is some sauce. Now we're just gonna go ahead and just flop that on there. Now you don't need a ton. We don't want this to be drowning in sauce. We just want it to complement the pizza very well. Next ingredient. All right, so next we got some fresh mozzarella. We'll just go ahead and pull that apart, just kind of break it apart, put that up on there. Nice healthy portion of mozzarella. So good. Make sure you get the fresh stuff because there ain't nothing like it. Now one of the mozzarellas I really want to try is the buffalo mozzarella. I haven't found any in my area, but I really want to try it. Okay, that looks good right there. Now for the pepperoni. Now I've got 3 different sizes of pepperoni here, making it the triple pepperoni pizza. So we got a bigger size, a medium size, and then a small size. Now this one is in its casing as well. It's gonna make it kind of curl up and kind of make that really crispy, tasty pepperoni. So we'll cut this up real quick. All right, so we'll start with that big old fat pepperoni. Put that on top of there. This is gonna be a greasy, greasy mess. It's gonna be good. Then we'll go with our medium sized. Just layer that up. And we'll do our little small ones. Just kind of put them on there somewhere. And of course, a little more Parmesan. Right on top. Voila! Pizza! All right, we'll throw it inside the Weber. Now, like I said, this thing is hot, really hot, so be careful. Oh no, the bug just flew on there. That's the other thing about eating outside. Huh, get out of here. Extra protein, I guess. Get out of, nope, come here. I had a bug in my pizza. Outdoor kitchen. Go figure. I'm not afraid of it. It helps build immunity. All right, so we'll get that in the Weber. Like I said, this is really hot. Be careful. Set that right there. Oh yeah. We'll close her up. Let her sit for a bit. Make sure we maintain an eye on it and don't burn it. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take, but we're just gonna keep an eye on it. All right, that pizza is ready. Let's pull it off. Oh yeah. That's mighty fine looking right there. Look at that triple pepperoni. There, we'll set it right there for right now. Let that kind of cool off. And I'm gonna see if I can get it out of the pan. Hopefully I can. Okay, so I'm gonna try to pull it out of here. You could definitely serve it inside this, I'm sure. Cut it up and serve it. But I wanna see if I can pull it out. Seems like it might be sticking a little bit. Okay, yeah, it's a little stuck. I think the Parmesan might have got a little sticky on the bottom there. Okay, there we go. She's loose. Whoa. Okay. Woo. Woo, yeah. Take a look at that. Parmesan crusted triple pepperoni. That looks really good. Looks really good. Very, very greasy. It'll probably get it all over the place. But hey, that's what pizza's all about. All right. I think it's probably good enough to cut into it. Let's do it. Get a slice out of there. Oh. Oh. Look at that greasiness. Oh my word. Look at that. Woo. Oh, yes. Look at that. Look at that. It's a little spongy there. A little bit of, I don't know. That's beautiful. Just what Vito would talk about. Here we go. Down the hatch. Oh, yeah. Oh, I love pepperoni. Just straight up pepperoni, cheese. So much good flavors there. The dough is really good. Can I taste the Parmesan in the crust? I don't know. Maybe by itself? Yeah. Yeah, I can taste it in the crust a little bit. I think just doing the Parmesan around the outer edge of the crust would probably suffice just enough for that flavor factor. But this is really good. Oh, I love pepperoni pizza. It's got some crunch to that pepperoni. That's what I love. Love that. Okay, hold on. We got to do a test here. Foldability. Let's see how foldable it is. Oh, yeah. Look at that. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. The crust is really, really good, you guys. Vito knows what he's talking about. I mean, these are simple ingredients. It's just really how you take care of the dough and let it ferment. It really does change the taste. It's amazing. I mean, I think there's flour, honey, some salt, and obviously yeast. That's all it is. But how he does it and how you prepare it, you know, that's what makes it a good pizza crust. All right, there you have it. That's pizza on the Weber griddle. Super simple, very easy. If you don't want to cook in your kitchen and get all hot and toasty, take it outside. Cook a pizza in your grill. You won't be disappointed. All right, see you on the next episode. them? Oh. Okay, grab a piece. There you go. Yep. Otherwise, I'm going to eat the whole thing myself.